Hey guys, I'm Nisa Homey. Today I'm sharing a healthy masala makhana recipe, an ideal healthy gluten-free snack which can be enjoyed in your weight loss journey. So let's get started with the recipe. To make masala makhana, into a cast iron kadai, I'm adding in 2 tablespoons A2 desi ghee. Instead of A2 desi ghee, you can use any wood pressed oil of your choice. Once the ghee is heated, I'm adding in half teaspoon jeera, also known as cumin seeds. And once the jeera splutters, reduce the flame to the lowest and add in 150 grams of makhana. On medium to low flame, I am lightly roasting the makhana. It should take about 5 to 7 minutes, and you need to make sure that the makhana is nicely roasted. Makhanas are also known as foxnut or lotus seeds. They have a very low glycemic index and they are completely gluten free. They're also high in protein and low in calories, hence ideal for a snack to include in your weight loss journey. It's about 7 minutes and it has started to get roasted. So I'm just taking a makhana and then I'm crushing it with my fingers. And you can see that it is easily crushed. So this shows the makhana is nicely roasted. Just take one more and crush it with my fingers like this, and it is easily crushed. So this shows that the makhana is roasted really well. On low flame, I'm adding in some masala. So first I'm adding in half teaspoon turmeric powder. Today I'm using Vigon turmeric, which has high curcumin content. Next I'm adding in half teaspoon freshly ground black pepper powder. Black pepper helps in better assimilation of the active ingredient in turmeric known as curcumin. Into this I'm adding in 1 teaspoon Kashmiri chilli powder, 1/3 teaspoon garam masala, half teaspoon jeera powder, also known as roasted cumin powder, pink Himalayan salt as needed, half teaspoon amchur powder, also known as dry mango powder, and give this all a good mix. Once nicely mixed, turn off the flame and immediately transfer to another bowl. Once the makhanas cool down completely, you can store it in an airtight glass container and you can enjoy this as a healthy snack. So guys, do try this healthy masala makhana recipe and let me know how it turned out. Thank you for watching, and until next time, take care. Bye bye.